I'm starting the next big personal project in my portfolio. I've begun the construction of a beer pong tabletop extension. Back in university, my roommates and I would play pong pretty much every day to the point where we always had a table set up with cups ready to play. The purpose of this project is to serve as an addition to a pong setup. As stated in the design document that I've written, the end product will include an LED scoreboard that is automatically updated using weight sensors that are located under each cup. Every time a cup is removed from the game, the change in weight will be detected by the load cell and the score will update. Additionally, there will be LED lights surrounding each cup that will be customizable and will react to changes in the score. Given my lack of experience with building hardware, I'm fully prepared for this project to take a while as I learn the basics of building circuits and crafting raw materials. However, I have been able to identify at least the next step. My strategy is to take this project one small step at a time, which is why I will be starting with a prototype that simply includes one weight sensor, one load cell, one cup, and a Raspberry Pi. After successful setup of this simple prototype, I can then move on to incorporating an LED scoreboard and adding more cups, more weight sensors, and eventually LED lights. I had a couple other projects that I was considering taking on, but I ultimately chose this one since it was so different from my other ongoing software projects given its hardware challenges. The next long form video will be out in 10 days. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.